So there is a new Proxmox version online, it's version 8, and in this video I will show you how you can upgrade your server from version 7 to version 8. It is very important that you check your version, and you see here my server is on version 7.4. You can also check it via SSH with the command PVE version. And before we even can begin to upgrade our Proxmox server, we have to shut down all running VMs, because if not you will get an error later on. And always before a big change it's very important to back up all your data, so back up your VMs like here and also other important configuration data. So let's begin with the work. Before you even can upgrade to version 8, it's important that you upgrade your version 7 to the latest one. You can update easily in the web interface like shown in the video. After you click refresh, you can click upgrade and proceed with pressing Y. If everything is finished, it can be that you have to reboot your machine because a new kernel update was installed. So in my case, I have to reboot the system. Fast forward, everything is done. I'm in the latest version, it's 7.4.15. Let's check also via SSH. And yep, 7.4.15. So in my case I have a single standalone Proxmox installation with no big configurations. So I have no hyperconverged storage and stuff like this, so I can skip everything. And here's a little script, PVE 728, just put it into your SSH console and it will check if the update will be running without any errors. So in my case everything is fine, only this warning here, but it's not important. So I'm ready to go to upgrade this server. And to upgrade the server, the following steps are necessary. So I have to change the Debian base repositories to the new one. It's called Bookworm. And to do it easily, just copy this set command here. But before I enter this command, I will check my old source list. So I just open it here. And you can see here the old repositories. It's called Bullseye. So just copy the set befehl in the console, press enter, and let's check the sources lists again. And we will see that Bookworm is set here, so everything is fine for upgrading. And to upgrade Proxmox to the latest version, it's here like apt update, and then we can put in apt dist upgrade, press Y, and we're ready to go. While the installation is running, just prepare to get some prompts and answer some questions. So here's the first one, like etc issue. It's no problem, just continue with yes. Here's the next one, it's okay to restart services during the installation, press yes. And of course, let me introduce you to the next one, the sshd config. I have no special changes in there, so it's okay to install the package maintainer version. Fast forward, and now there is some LVM configuration. I have no changes there too, so it's okay, and yes. Here comes another one, so apt source list for the PVE Enterprise Edition. I will not use this anyways, so it's totally okay to press yes, because maybe I will in the future, but no. So in the end, if you have a standard installation of Proxmox, you will have no problems if you only say yes, 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 yes. It's done, so finally check the version with PVE version command. We see the new version. Let's check the script again with PVE 728. And we will see that the last step is to reboot our system, and we're ready to go. Type in reboot and enter for it. So the reboot is done and I'm in the web interface. It also shows version 8. It's the new one. So I hope this video is a good one for you. If so, please follow, give me a comment, and see you in the next one.